Today for the Bitcoin and altcoin prices. And yes guys, I am taking dramatic actions on Bitcoin and these three altcoins today. What are the price targets I'm looking out for? What are the next trades I'm looking out for? And I can tell you something. I did something with my recent trade here. I will talk about that. I will talk about price targets and much more. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. And today it is very important. Let me show you something. Your engagement is one of a kind. Not only that the last two videos got almost 10,000 likes. No, look at the bottom. I wanna publish a video about my personal altcoin strategy, where I'm gonna take profits, what I'm looking out for. Make sure you smash up the like button for today's video to even more likes. Let's get 12,000 likes on that video and I will publish this video today for you. Now let's go straight into the content, and of course I want to start with the Bitcoin price right now here on the 4-hourly candles. Before I'm talking about the three specific altcoins I took significant actions here on right now, actually this night. So first of all, the Bitcoin price, and if I'm zooming out here a little bit, you can see this upward sloping channel, which was actually a very legit one and which Bitcoin was following for quite some time. We had like touch points here, touch points there, touch points over there, and Bitcoin unfortunately missed out on eventually breaking this one here towards the upside. And actually right now I get more and more the feeling that this trend line, at least this one here, the downwards one, is getting somehow invalidated. We were breaking down, breaking up, breaking down, confirming, breaking down, and like I wouldn't even be surprised if Bitcoin just breaks up again and then retests it again. Like really, this trend line, we should at least take it with some grain of salt here, because it's just too many invalidations here so far. So now the question of course is, what is happening here with Bitcoin? What the heck is happening? And if I'm going back to the daily candles, I want to remind you on one pattern which is still not invalidated, on one pattern which is still possible to finally play out. And this is this huge cup and handle pattern I was talking earlier, where we had some resistance over here, where we had some resistance over there, a big cup, and now a potential handle forming for Bitcoin. I was telling you earlier, it is possible that Bitcoin is chopping around a little bit longer here and that we are going lower for quite some time here, like not quite some time, but for a few more days. And if this is the handle, then what we have to look out for, and let me for this go back to the 4-hourly candles, is the downward sloping resistance for Bitcoin to break the handle. If I'm going back to the 4-hourly candles, and well, I'm here in the entrance area of my, let me quickly go back here. By the way, I am of course bare feet. Let me go back. So what I'm looking out for this handle to break is the downward sloping resistance. If the downward sloping resistance is breaking on this specific pattern, let me go back here, then ladies and gentlemen, we are probably going up for another retest of the horizontal resistance. And if this one breaks, you remember the price target of 72, I will show you just in a second. This one has to break. This is the line which has to break, but not only to break, but also a volume supported close above the specific downward sloping trend line. And then you can see, if we are breaking the $50,500 level, the price target of this specific breakdown would bring us all the way up here to $72,300. Obviously guys, it is still very speculative. Obviously we need this break above, we need the confirmation signs, we need a close above, we need volume support for this, but this is definitely a trade I'm gonna take if we are getting all these confirmation signs. The only thing here on a cautious side note is, and I'm not getting tired to repeat that, for me the trend is my friend until the very end. Right now we are forming a lower high for Bitcoin, so we have to get cautious here. If we are getting continuously rejected, then my point of interest is 46,300. If Bitcoin however closes below 46,300, this is the moment I am looking out for lower price targets. This is the moment I am looking out for the $42,000 price target. Unless this is not happening, I am not switching my bias here. But as I said before, I touched my trade. I took profits on my trade. The question is why. I will talk about that. I want to talk about these three altcoins where I took significant actions on. Let me just say it, I bought these altcoins. I will talk about them here towards the end of the video. Smash up the like button for the altcoin strategy video. Smash up the like button if you want more about the altcoins, of course, as well. But now let me quickly continue about Bitcoin, and let me quickly show you my trade here. This one, only $5.2 million in this trade left. So I took like $100,000 out of this trade to take profits. This was because the funding fees are very high right now, and this is why when we are going sideways for very long, these trades can be expensive, so take profits continuously on the way up. We are trading the swings and we are taking profits into Bitcoin. This is the learning, this is what I want to tell you here, and I am going to continuously take profits here on the way towards the upside. What I also wanted to tell you is, in the pinned comment down below, you can click my links and you can get up to $7,070 in free bonuses. With the Bybit link alone, $3,500 in free bonuses. Use the links down below. It is for limited time, just for a little bit more. I have to check for how much more. Should have checked it before, but it is for limited time. So make sure you take advantage of these bonus links right now before it's too late, if you're an experienced trader. And now let's go over into the altcoins, because it's getting a little bit louder here and I really want to wrap it up for you. I bought more altcoins, and you remember yesterday I made this video. Let me quickly go back once again. I made this video, just $10,000, and these 6 altcoins can make you a millionaire. And it's not about just buying the altcoins and holding it for a few years. No, I want to tell you in the next video my altcoin strategy, how I want to do it, how I want to maximize my profits on these altcoins. Because I can tell you one thing, it's not just buying them and holding them for a few years. This is a different story than with Bitcoin. I will talk about that in the next video here. But let me quickly go back. The altcoins I bought is actually parts of the altcoins I was talking in this altcoin video, and I didn't have enough of Elrond, I didn't have enough of DOT, and I didn't have Compound at all. So I bought some more Compound, some more Elrond, and some more Polkadot. Just to let you know here, whenever I'm buying, selling, I just want to be transparent. So if you want more of this transparency, of course, in the future, give me this signal. This is what the likes are for, this is what the comments are for. Let me know your favorite altcoins down below as always, guys, and smash up the like button. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one today of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.